परफेक्ट। चेक कर लेते हैं पहले। पब्लिक, पब्लिश। So very good evening, guys. I think the stream is live, so I should also get started right away. So right now I was trading BTC, and this is what we are trading right now. Just give me 2 minutes just to check the stream if it is live properly. Where's my, yeah, I just have to check if the voice is coming properly or not, and just a few other things. Perfect, we're good to go. Yeah. So I was trading BTC right now, and I saw this position forming, and I took a trade in my personal account and in my not so personal account as well. Well, like there are two accounts that I run. One is where I disclose my positions, and the second is where I do not disclose my positions. Now, since we're gonna go live from now on, and I'm gonna teach you guys how you guys can trade on BTC or like any other crypto. So we're gonna be, approaching more towards this in the future and upcoming videos. So if you want to check out my ATR strategy, guys, you can contact me in any of my shorts. You can find this in the pinned comment at any of my shorts, and see, this was a fake out, and this is also a wrong signal. This short signal was perfect if you wanted to enter into a trade. Why? To identify this all, you need to learn price action, guys. If you have a slight knowledge of price action and you select the right indicator, like the one I'm giving you or my strategy, then you can identify the perfect breakouts in Bitcoin as well. Now, this works fabulously. This ATR strategy works fabulously in longs and shorts in Nifty 50, but for this Bitcoin, I'm not so sure of this is whether or not this is going to work in the long run, because this is already giving you a few fake outs. Now, if you want to check out the strategies, just see this is giving a lot loss. Max drawdown is also very huge, and the total number of trades is very high. So this needs to be fixed for Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. But you need to understand that trading and starting to trade is very important. See, another fall can be seen here. um, Also, guys, if you want to make an account or something, you can check the description. I've given you the links if you want to start creating your accounts as well, so that you can take take your real money and get started with trading. This is Delta Exchange. I don't know what's happening to the site right now. It's just keeps crashing for me on my end. That's the reason I do not trade on my laptop. I try preferably to trade on my phone. It's way more comfy and it's way more easier to trade on phone. Now I don't know what's the problem here. It's super laggy, but yep, you guys should definitely try Delta Exchange for once. Uh, it works fine when I'm off stream, but right now on stream it's lagging like a lot. So I'm not gonna be using Delta Exchange on stream, I think. I'm gonna look out for some other alternatives. And it's giving me 100x margin right now. So that's pretty good, guys. But to understand this, and 100x margin is not very good for everybody. So see, this is the order book. You can select any strike price and purchase it. Now if I click on this, I can get the best offer and I can select the quantity and then just deposit and trade. Now this is the new account that I've created just to show you guys on how you guys can start trading. There are futures, there are options. Now this is the future chart, I guess. Now I'm going to show you the options chart, or the option chain. See, this is the option chain, and you need to understand that option chain is only for people who are experienced. If you are taking a new position and you don't know what you're doing, only keep it in futures. And if you keep it in the money, and by in the money I mean, for example, let's say Bitcoin right now is at 30,000 right now. Let's, for example, I'm saying, not in reality, it's at 30,000. So what is in the money for a call option? For a call option or a future contract, in the money is going to be 29,000. or like anything below 30,000 can be considered in the money. 30,000 is ATM or at the money, and anything above 30,000 is going to be OTM. So this is my current trade position in my personal account, which I cannot show for obvious reasons, because taxation issues and other things. But you need to understand that this is how you are supposed to trade. And one more thing, guys, I missed this trade, but I'm going to show you guys that this trade was also very good trade. If you wanted to take a trade here, see, this was a good cup trade. Cup, not cup and handle, but a cup trade. See, it's forming a cup. I'm going to show you what's a cup and handle. Cup pattern stocks. See, this usually works well when there's a cup and a handle along with both, but I cannot see a handle right here. Oh wait, I can. Honestly I can. I just missed it. One second. I'm gonna show you what's the handle. Firstly, we need to go on 5 minute time frame to see them more clearly in forming. See, cup, and this can be considered a handle. Now, to be precise, this is not one of the most excellent cup and handles that I have seen. If you guys want to see a more excellent or a more brilliant cup and handle, I'm going to show you a stock which is showing an exact cup and handle. Where is it? Yep, delivery. Now I'm going to go on daily time frame and show you that. See, this is what you call an exact and a clean cup and handle. And many of you would be saying that this is an inverted head and shoulder as well. Yeah, I agree. I completely agree. But if the inverted head and shoulder fails at this point, then this actually becomes a cup and handle. You understand that? So that's what I'm exactly trying to say. Moving back to BTC. Also, guys, if you're new to the channel, please sub would be amazing. And moving on to the 5 minute time frame again. Right now, guys, again, I'm telling you, right now the markets are in a contraction range, like they're not gonna move very fast. If you see a breakout or breakdown between these areas, uh, one second, I'm gonna mark it for you. This is the range. If you see a breakout or breakdown from this range, do enter into a trade. And personally I'm going to be trading a lot more when I see breakouts from this range. See, right now the trade I executed has already been exited at this point, and I think a fresh breakdown entry could have been taken right around here. What does my ATR strategy say? Let me check. Well, according to my ATR strategy, this is a free or a little fakish kind of breakout. So, according to a strategy, now the strategies may not be perfect, guys. You must understand that. So, you should always focus on what you are seeing on the chart rather than focusing on what is happening through a trend line. Oh, sorry, ATR strategy or something like that. And again, guys, one more thing that you need to know is just focus on yourself, keep growing, and you'll understand chart patterns way more than you realize. It did try and consolidate in this range on the 5 minute time frame, but I was trading on the 15 minute time frame, so I kind of didn't focus much on it. And yeah, trading on the 15 minute time frame is a lot better, to be very honest. It gives you a lot more to think about as a trader. It adds a lot of value to your head, and it makes you realize that how important trading is and how you should trade. Just waiting for a retest or a confirmation on what I should do next. I don't know what's wrong with this. Just waiting for things to change. Let's check Ethereum for once. Good breakdown. Great fall, I can say. Honestly, it's a tough thing to trade Ethereum right now because Ethereum is not giving you any confirmed breakouts or confirmed breakdowns as of now. Let's wait for any confirmations before we take any trades. Solana. This is a good retest point, honestly. In Solana, 15-minute time frame, this is a very good retest point. So if it's trying to take a retest, we could make a short entry right about here. Right about here should be a good time to take a new entry. And if you guys are wondering what I'm doing right now, I'm just checking my PNL. Honestly, this should be a good, better level. Yeah, that's the correct level. And yeah, it's actually taking support from this level. So yeah, I have marked the correct level this time, so it should work. If it's giving a closing right above this on the 15-minute time frame, let me check the 5-minute time frame also though. Okay, I have a mixed feeling about this one. But on the 15-minute time frame, it's giving if it's giving a closing above this, I might just take a long position in Solana. I might just. Although this is a very risky bet, guys, and I do not want you guys to, use the same analysis that I'm using right now to trade with your money because I am a risk key trader. Like I love risk. I wherever I see risk, I just take it. If you're a risk averse person, honestly, you should stay away from this trade because this is highly risky. Honestly, because the breakdown is really good. And I am also going to be only entering into a trade, but only in the situation that, it gives a closing. I don't see this giving a closing of this though. The confidence in the trade is very low. And if you guys are planning to follow my criteria, then maybe you will make money, maybe you won't. For me, I'm gonna keep a strict SL on this, and only then be, focusing on this trade. For Bitcoin, I'd say if you guys want a fresh entry, right now I can't see one. Honestly, I can't see one. Let me check on the 1 hour time frame. What about the 4 hour time frame? Okay, the 4 hour time frame is suggesting an upward channel. And why is that so? Let me check on that. Give me a moment to verify what's happening. Hmm. Seems cute. Good enough. Let me see. Seems better off there. Okay, guys. Honestly speaking, this is not a very good support or not a very good resistance, both at the same time. If we move on to the 1 hour time frame, you're gonna see why I'm saying that. This channel isn't very supportive or gonna giving you a exact move as into where it's gonna go. You understand that? So in order to make money, you need to have strong moves and strong momentum, like I saw right now. See, the volume is all you need to make money in cryptocurrency. If you see volume, just try and enter into a trade. Once or twice, you're gonna lose money, but you're gonna make money most of the times. If you understand what you are doing, only then. Okay, yeah, good one, guys. I can see that one person in the comments is already suggesting that I should exit the trade, and yeah, brother, I have exited the trade. Thanks for being kind enough to ask me about my trade. Let me just check the live stream, and we are in the position. What is happening in Solana now? As I said, guys, the position is not looking very good in this trade. For short runners, if you have shorted at this level, please stay entered into a trade because there is no support before this level. Before this level, I cannot see a support. You may hang in for a few minutes right around here, and your SL should be right about here. The risk to reward ratio is 1.7. which is good enough, I guess. And if you want to check out my ATR strategy, what is suggested. Now, sometimes I do trust this with crypto, but I usually don't. And on Solana's chart, it is pretty accurate, to be frank. Even I'm a little shocked that it is giving such good signals on Solana. Let me check the. Okay. The max drawdown is also good. Like, it's good enough. Average trade is 0.04. Now, this is indicating that it's a good strategy for Solana. On what time frame? 15 minutes. Now, let's try the 5 minute time frame. Okay. Okay. So if you do have this strategy and if you have purchased this strategy from me, you can use this on the 5 minute and the 15 minute time frame, guys. I think an algo would work perfectly with it. And if you want me to create that algo for you, I'll do that. That's very easy for me to do right now. And honestly, even I'm gonna run this algo. Like, let me just check the performance summary. Very few losses, guys, and sharp ratio is also very cool. List of trades, if we check that out, yeah, drawdown doesn't actually indicate profit or what, but it's good. It's good. It's good. 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 Nice, guys. Nice. Nice. I might as well start running this strategy on Solana because it's looking good, guys. Honestly, yeah, the 5 minute time frame is indicating what I exactly said. It's not gonna last for much longer above this. Well, that does indicate that, guys, this is gonna go down as well. Bitcoin is not looking very strong right around here. The volume isn't too big. Hmm. I'm in this trade for the long haul, guys. For Ethereum, I'd say, guys, wait. Just keep waiting. Like, this was a level that it broke, and I should have entered into a trade right about here, but I missed this trade. But no regrets, no regrets at all. I'm just gonna say that this was a very good shot if you guys have entered into a trade from right about here, because this is an easy target. Easy. This is like so good. Like, how did I even miss this target, guys? How did I even miss this trade? Like, this was a very one of those trades that I'm gonna regret not taking, but it's okay. Markets are there for the long haul, and I'm also there for the long haul. And I can see that three people are already watching. So if you're new to the channel, please, please, please subscribe. And thank you for those hearts that are coming up. I really like when I see those. Okay. So yeah, as I was saying, Delta Exchange, you can take a short entry in Bitcoin right now. And for the short entry, you can see this is the put side. And if you are new to this kind of exchange, so you can check the comments, and I've listed the link from where you can make the account as well. So you can check the put, and if you want to buy, what would I suggest right now in Bitcoin? 30,000 put is good. I think 30,000, yeah, right around here. The ask is very less if you guys have less money. But if you guys have more money, I'd always recommend staying in the money or two strike prices in the money. See, first strike price in the money, second strike price in the money, 30,300. This is the best strike price if you want to buy, and this is the order book, and this is what is exactly happening. This is like the market depth of the recent trades and what all is happening right now. Now, I am saying that this is gonna go up, and okay, is there a way to open this in the new tab? No, I don't think so. That's okay. That's okay. That's understandable. Just look at the prices, and you can see that they're gonna go up. Okay, very soon they're gonna go up. Just check for that. Bitcoin isn't looking really nice, guys, on the 15-minute time frame as well, and I can see that a fall is coming on the 5 minute time frame. I do, guys, very much check the 3 minute time frame, and it is very accurate in predicting moves, and you guys should also check that. And please subscribe to the channel, guys. I can see 5 people watching uh, the video right now, and a sub to the channel would be magnificent. And please, 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 if you have any doubts, please comment. I'm always here for you guys, and you know I'm gonna constantly reply to any messages that I see from my other YouTube channel, which is a mod in this channel. Just wait for the breakdown to happen. Cool. Okay. See, when I'm new to this, so this is the way you can select a strike, I guess. Good, that's nice. Or you can set a price where you want to buy or not. Okay, that's also nice. I like it. I like it. This is a really good way to, understand the market and move into trades. Okay. So you even have robo strategies. I didn't know about this. I didn't know about this at all, guys. This is something very new to me. And cool. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. So they do allow stakes. That's really nice. Hmm. This is very good. I like this. Good, good, good. Nice, nice, nice. Well, I wish there were more options on how to get in these, because 36% is a good return, guys. Honestly speaking, 36% is a good return. Cool. Oh, nice. They do have a leaderboard. I didn't know about that. That's good. That's really nice to know that people are making such good money on this exchange. Okay, guys, one more trade is out entering, and I think this is the right time to take another shot. Just give me 1 second, and I'm gonna be entering into a shot from my personal account. One more second, guys. I'm gonna mark it for you as well. And why am I entering early? Because I can see the move happening right now. We're gonna be checking on the 5 minute time frame to see for any discrepancies. And to be honest, guys, the 3 minute time frame is gonna be way more accurate. So let's just stick with the 3 minute time frame. The trades have been logged in. Let's just hold and wait and see just what happens. To all the people that are asking in the comments, like, what is your strategy? I majorly use trend lines and supports, and I also use chart patterns very frequently to take trades. But chart patterns I generally use for scalping. Trend lines and support and resistance breakouts, I used for trading on a slightly longer time frame. Hmm. Good. I missed this trade, but it's okay. The Bitcoin position is looking nice, honestly. This point can actually act as a major resistance level for me. Let me just mark this as well. Yeah, this might as well just act as a resistance, or sorry, actually as a support for me. Well, what has happened right now is, guys, I was thinking in the opposite manner. So that's the reason I called it a resistance for me, because it's going to be tough for it to break down from this level. But let's see. Let's see what exactly happens. Stick to the chart, guys. Stick to the chart. Everything is going to keep forming when you stick to the chart. 5 minute time frame. It's taking a retest, I think. Let it take a retest. We've entered into the position at a very good time, and I think if it's taking a retest, let it take it. Honestly, we're pretty safe. Options. Hmm. So here we are. Just look at the option price. What did I say? It's gonna go up, and it did, guys. 390. Just look at the you could have earned. For all you newbies, I'm just gonna explain you what is bid and ask. As the highest price a buyer is willing to pay for a specified lot, in this case, okay, an ask refers to the lowest price a seller is willing to sell at. Okay, the spread here is huge. Okay, but whenever these assets match, you can see that this is going to be change in price. Cool. Just gonna stay in the trade for about 5 more minutes because it's like a little late here in India. The premium is falling. That's because whales are entering in an opposite position. But I'm not afraid. Okay. This trade might as well look like a loss making trade for me. but I'm still gonna stay in. I respect my rules, I respect my strategy. These are a few reasons that I'm gonna stay in. If you've been in it for a long enough time frame, you know that it's important to stay in trades even when you're wrong, proven wrong. And right now, I believe that the risk to reward is good enough to stay in the trade. But if this gives a closing of this candle, it's gonna get a little too risky to stay in the trade. So I'm just gonna take a hedging position, but the premium is rising. Okay, okay. I think just trying to trap some SLs, small buyers. Once again, guys, this is not a buy or sell recommendation channel. Just waiting for anything to happen, honestly, because I don't see a big move coming anytime soon. The 15-minute time frame is indicating a bad signal for me, honestly, because right off this level, it is going back, which is a really bad signal. And I do understand that my SL would get hit, but I'm still gonna stay in the trade because sometimes just staying in the trade can make you profitable. What's the premium looking like? Declining, I see. But let's see what happens once we wait. If the premiums keep on declining, then I might have to just exit the trade because I'm in a options trade, guys. There's a limit to a loss that you can take. Hmm. We have 2 minutes to decide what to do. And on the 5 minute time frame, it's not looking good. The 15-minute time frame is also not looking good. Let's check 3 minute. It's not taken a rejection from the EMA as of yet. But once it does, I might just have to exit the trade. Let's see. Let's see. Not looking good. It's not very visible, guys, honestly. I'm gonna have to change the color to something more visible. Should be more visible. Exiting the trade right as well. Right now. I'm exiting. I'm exiting right here, guys. If any of you are in this trade with me, you should exit as well. If you're looking for a fresh entry, if it gives a retest from this level, take a fresh entry. I've not yet exited. Keep that in mind. But I will be exiting soon if I see one spike above this. One little spike above this. Because this is not looking good on the 5 minute time frame as well. Not even on the 15 minute time frame. And not even on the 3 minute time frame. Because all the time frames are indicating that it might as well just form a inverted hedging shoulder and just move up. And what I mean by that, just look at this. I'm gonna show you. We can just do this. And if this happens, this is gonna be a very weak trade. Honestly, a lot has happened and the premium has fallen a lot more than I can handle right now. But let's see. Our SL is supposed to be respected. Let's see what it does from this level. It's gonna decide my move. Okay. If you are in Ethereum right now, seeing some good profits, it might be time to say bye bye to this trade at this point. On Solana, no worries even if it goes to this level. Just wait for the retest because this may be a very well planned SL hunt. In Bitcoin right now, it's looking risky. Looking risky. So let's just wait and watch what happens. Buyers are there, guys. Buyers are still active. I've taken a hedging position for this trade right now because it's getting too risky. If you guys are wondering what is the hedging position, this could be considered a good hedging position. Okay, this and that level. Since the ATM is somewhere around here right now, I'm in this strike, and a good hedging position for me would be right now this far in the money. The IV is looking good. Cool. Just like I said, it might just be following an inverted head and shoulder. So don't fall for the trap right now. Nice. It didn't break the high, so it's still in lower lows, but the buyers do have some buying pressure on the sellers. So it's not looking really nice. Hmm. This is nice. Cool. Cool. The EMIs are squeezing. I'm not too worried about this position, honestly, guys, because right now I'm hedged. But to all the people who are trading in Solana right now, if you're really worried about this position, don't be worried. It's forming another downtrend channel. Okay, so don't be worried. I'm gonna switch back to the 5 minute time frame. And to all the new viewers, please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment regarding whatever you have doubts about. Ethereum isn't looking very good, guys. Isn't looking very good. If you see a closing above this level, 1930, just exit the trades, book the profits. In Solana, stay in the trade is the move for now. So I'm just gonna mark it for you as well. If you guys are not understanding what I'm trying to say, this is as simple as it gets. Cool. Wait for this to get confirmed. Like this is not 100% right now, so just wait for it to get confirmed. It's gonna give a closing in 12 seconds, so the last 5 seconds are usually a little bit movie. So let's see. No. Okay. No move at all. Okay. That's. Should I check the 1 minute time frame? Not looking good. 3 minute time frame. Not looking good again. 5 minute time frame. Not looking good again. So can't say that you guys are in the 100% good category of trades, but I can't deny as well that there is no confirmation as such that it is still in the uptrend. So just wait for a few minutes and let's see whether or not this trend line is going to get respected. I do always draw trend lines so that I can be sure of when players are going to enter or exit. Small resistance zone right around here, very small. So let's see if this resistance zone is really something to be worried about. Also, guys, if you're a new trader, you do need to realize that traders suffer from various problems, back problems, head problems, a lot of things. So stay hydrated. One of the things is that you need to focus on. And always heat good stuff. Hmm. The premiums are rising. Yet again, the premiums I think are gonna fall now. So just wait for it. I'm already hedged in this position, so I'm not really worried about myself. But I'm in profit right now. I'm gonna plan to book it. If you exit the day green, guys, everything is good. So just try and exit the day in green. That's my aim, honestly, with each and every trade that I take. It does seem like that, we should stay in the trade, but I'm gonna cancel my hedge at this level. in which case I might be suffering a loss. But who knows? Let's see. The spread is reducing. Let's wait for the next candle formation. Okay. Okay. These big movements do indicate a lot about the market. Pull down. Good. Solana is taking rejection. 5 minute time frame. Good. This is indicating that what I've done is good. The battery of my laptop is just about to die, guys. Give me 1 second. And we plugged in. Well, honestly, guys, the day is supposed to end green because this big of a move was captured by me from this level to this level. So the day has ended green, I believe. But if this trade goes south, maybe I won't be ending the whole day in a bumper profit like it was gonna end like normal. But who knows? I've exited the hedge though. I've exited the hedge. Just to inform you guys. If it takes a rejection from this level, guys, do exit. Do exit. If you're a good trader, do exit. Respect what I'm saying. Because in the long run, if you want to make money, you have to respect what I am saying. Because I only respect the price action. And if you respect me, you're directly respecting the price action. Somewhat it is taking a rejection from this level. Somewhat. Let's just wait. The premiums are very low than they're supposed to be. So rejection from that level. Going down. Good. Good. Okay, so I was just trying to understand the basket order feature, and I did, which is good enough to know that they do have the basket order feature. And Solana is looking like a pure downtrend. So if you're looking for a fresh entry, just when it breaks this level downward, 26.24, you can enter into a trade. I'm just giving away free money here, guys. Okay, guys, like I said, enter into the trade right away. 3 minute time frame, 16 seconds left. As soon as it gives the closing, enter into the freaking trade. You're not gonna regret it, you're gonna make money. Trust me on that, and enter into the freaking trade. Small targets, very small, only this much. The risk to reward is gonna be one. That's all. You're not gonna regret this trade, guys. Trust me on that. Just wait for it. Look at it fall right in front of your eyes. This trade, I bet on you, is going to be profitable. Now let's go check the BTC time frame right now. So that's where my main money is involved. Ethereum. We saw some profit booking. This was a good SL hunt by operators on the whales. Solana. Keep waiting, guys. You're gonna see some profit right around here. Keep waiting. It's just a small covering. Don't worry about it. Don't worry. You're gonna be profitable. Don't worry. We have that buffer. Keep your money steady. Wait on those hands. Do not exit. Okay. So Bitcoin is acting freakishly weird right now. And honestly, guys, I think it's time to exit this trade and close the positions. Because I think exactly what I was predicting is happening right now. Nobody can deny that. And I think this is going to be the reality. And if this is going to be the reality, let's not be in this trade. Because the hedged position is all gone now. It's a naked position now. Mr. Market has 1 minute to decide whether or not I stay in the trade. If this is not giving a closing below this, by God, I may have to exit the trade because there's no point in staying in the trade at that point. Guys, wait on this. Wait on this. They'll be profitable. Don't worry. Wait on this. You guys must have entered right around here. Marked the position a little wrong, honestly. Because when I said the position should have been right around here to be accurate. because I didn't enter into this trade, but I told you guys to enter into the trade. So waiting on it, guys. Waiting on it. Watch it happen. I've just moved the position up, but I've not moved the target at all. This is a safe trade, completely safe. You're gonna get that money. Don't worry. This is falling. 5 minute. Okay, good. Don't make me cry for it, because I think this is gonna make me cry for it. Because if you see the 3 minute time frame, I'm exactly right in what I said. It's just a slight change though. But it's a slight change, which is indicating that this may be the ground reality. I've not exited the trade yet, as of yet, because it did take a rejection on the 5 minute time frame and then came back. So I was waiting for it, you know, give a proper closing as such. Let's just wait on those diamond hands, because right now the premium is showing that I'm going to be entering into a profits range very soon. Solana. Oh. So you guys profitable now? I moved the position slightly up, so we're not gonna say that this is a profit range right now. I'm gonna move back the position down to the stick. No, but it's okay. I don't care, guys. We're still gonna be profitable, no matter how much I move the position up or down. What the hell just happened? One sec. Good. Moving on. Yeah, perfect. I've undone everything. So 1.7 is the risk to reward on this one, which is pretty good, I guess. Bitcoin is kind of following my ring. Got 2 minutes to prove me right or prove me wrong. I think it's gonna prove me wrong. But let's see. Hopes are high. Stakes are also very high. Solana. If I had taken this Solana trade, then I'm just gonna clean this chart to make it look better for you guys. 1 minute. This is our take profit level. I'm just gonna mark this take profit level for you guys and just take entry position for you guys, just in case I kind of forget it. Entry position, take profit line. Actually, this is supposed to be white. Yep. Now let's go. Deleting this. Just keep watching. Just clean the position for you scalpers, and just keep waiting. Wait for this target to hit, guys. You're gonna make bags. Trust me on this. We are running profitable on this trade. You're gonna make profit. Stay profitable, and that's our goal. About the Bitcoin trade, honestly, I don't think this is happening now. So our red positions are locked in, and although we took some range into our SL area or our loss range, but right now we're still profitable because we didn't hit the SL. So we've not yet exited the trade. In Solana, you're gonna stay profitable. Trust me, stay in this trade till this level, 25.8, and you're gonna make that bag. You're gonna make that bag. Ethereum, good. SL hunting was done very nicely by those operators, and now if any of you is still in the trade, then very good. You're a professional trader if you're still in the trade, because I have to advise rightly about every trade, so I asked you guys to exit the trade. So beginner traders, be happy with whatever profit you have. Bitcoin. This is the actual trade that I am in, and it is running in the loss category right now. But I'm not very mad about this because I captured the big move from here to here. So I'm just gonna keep that on chart because that just kind of makes me feel happy that I just captured this big of a move today. You know, it really makes me feel blessed for the day. And all the newcomers can also see that we made some profit today. Okay, we're coming out of the loss range in Bitcoin, and if you guys are looking for a fresh entry, re-enter at whatever level I've entered into the trade, because at that point, a lot of traders would have entered into the trade because I am constantly monitoring the OI data, and the OI data is indicating that a lot of traders are stuck right around this level because the big bar moves that were happening. Looking at Solana is still profitable. Now jump your trailing stop loss to this level. This is going to be a new trailing stop loss to remain profitable. Okay, and I'm going to mark this level as let me think, yellow. Okay, so exit at this level if you see pull back to this level. Once this candle closes, we're gonna move our trailing stop loss once again in order to stay profitable. And I think right now, if you're a very safe trader, you should exit your position. For the extremely safe, risk averse people who are just trading for me right now with me, exit your positions. I'm marking this as TP1. TP1 has been taken. For those risky ones who still want to stay in the trade, this is the one. And for the big risk scalpers, stay in the trade, like me. Premiums rising means Bitcoin is following what I'm saying. I'm gonna sleep on this position, I think, guys, because in another 5-7 minutes I have to sleep. So I might just have to sleep on that position, on this position. If I just go in the green, I'm gonna exit 50% of my quantity and just sleep. If not, in the next 5-7 minutes, I'm just gonna go sleep anyways. Looking at Solana, stay in this trade, risky traders, and to all the safe traders who have exited when I said, stay happy that you got that money because you're trading from my brain and you still made money. Stay happy for that. If you're a very high risk trader, guys, if I ever just decide to sleep and exit the stream, this is gonna be a take profit. If you're a very risky trader, okay, I'm gonna mark this again as orange. This is gonna be a very high take profit if you're a very risky trader. For the risk averse traders or the people who just wanted to trade and just wanted to make some money, you have exited right around here, and the position is still running for the medium level traders like who just want to stay in the trade and want to make money and have a little bit capital that they want to, you know, kind of gamble with, because this is crypto. And right now we're gonna move our trailing SL to this level on any position, be it this for the highly risky ones or the medium risky ones. Medium risky ones, I'm just gonna mark the medium risky level as well for you guys. This is gonna be the medium risky level. Hmm? Green for the safest, blue for the slightly riskier ones, and orange for the highly riskier ones. And the yellow is indicating our trailing stop loss. Cool. Bitcoin is starting to go back from where I took the trade. That's also cool. That's also cool. I think I might just stay alive for a little longer. Sleep, change my sleeping time to a little later. Ethereum. Okay. Same thing, guys. Same thing. SL hunting was really good by the operators. So if your stop loss got hunt, I'm sorry, but it's your fault because I told you to get exited at this position. And if you're still in that trade, stay in that trade. And in Ethereum, stay in that trade then, and take your profit right around this level, 80 1903. That's where you need to take those profits out, because after that level it's gonna get too risky for anybody to stay in this trade. Okay, just exit it. It's really important to book profits at time, guys, at times. So if you don't book profits, you're gonna be a little bit on the higher risk side. Looks like our trailing stop loss is gonna get hit. Not worried about it getting hit at all, because we still made a lot of profit today. Personally, I have made a lot of profit, and my viewers have also made some decent profit. We've been live for more than 1.5 hours, and I think we've made around 50 bucks in USD terms. There is no good volume in Bitcoin, guys. So all the big candles are being found with a very small volume. So now the big bars cannot be trusted. Like this one, if this is a big bar, it cannot be trusted. I think our trailing stop loss just got hit. Somebody just mentioned it in the comments. Did it? Yup, it did. So well done for the medium traders. Your trailing stop loss got hit. Respect it. Move out of the trade. For the highly risky traders, your target is right here. Your stop loss should be at the same level. And if you ever see a price action rejection coming from levels, just bam bam and exit the trade. Safe take profit was already taken by our safe traders, and for the medium risky traders, They lost some value, but it's okay, guys. It's just $0.09, so it's not a very big deal. And for the highly risky traders, you're still in the trade with me, so stay in it with me. Don't worry, we're gonna get there. For all the people asking for a fresh entry in Bitcoin, good fresh entry level started right around here. Honestly, the chart is looking way too cluttered now. I'm gonna just clear this position because this was just to show you guys, if you have not yet entered, you can enter in at this candle formation. The premium is rising, premium is falling, premium rising. Good. Honestly, guys, if this move gives me till here, I'm gonna exit 50% like I said and just sleep it off because I'm done with today's trade. Ding, it's giving me a headache right now. And my food is also over, so there's nothing left to munch on. And I've also got my book that I'm supposed to read. The trader mentality should really focus on book reading because book reading is really important for everybody. If you want to be a good trader, you should always read books. Your mind stays calm when you read books, and you need to understand that having a calm head is one of the very good qualities that a trader can have. इथीरियम वालों की बल्ले बल्ले हो रही है भाई. And by that I meant the people who are still running in Ethereum are having big profits. I personally didn't take this trade at all because I missed the entry. So, when the bars start forming, I don't take entries. So, as soon as this moves to the far OTM, oh sorry, far in the money, the price is gonna go rising. This is gonna be one of the last candles that I'm gonna be watching for now because I'm done with it. I'm live streaming after a really long time, guys. So a sub to the channel if you're new would be really, really amazing because I've not seen a sub increase in like a very long time. 490, I'm stuck at this level, guys. Please subscribe. Please, please do if you're new. And also, please leave a comment. I've not been seeing many comments in the recent live streams except for my private channel, which I'm running on Telegram. If you want to join that, just press the comments sections link and watch my trades and copy them straight off. Copy them. Okay, guys, this Solana trade is not looking good now because the volumes are really freakishly increasing now. The jumps you see in those levels are really good. Did I say they're not looking good? It is good enough. It's a good trade. If you're still entering into the trade, just stay in the trade. It's not about it's looking good or not. It's more about the volume and the volume is suggesting a bullish increase in momentum, which can be seen in the candles. Right, guys? There's a new candle formation. Your stop loss or the trailing stop loss again got hit. Now, again, for the aggressive traders, still gonna stay till this level and still gonna stay till the stop loss is getting hit. Okay. For the medium traders, you obviously got exited at this level, and the safe traders took some profit at this level. Bitcoin. The stream is live. It's working. Yeah. For the fresh entry people, don't be disappointed, guys. Do not be disappointed because this trade is not gonna disappoint you. Just be happy that you've got this entry at such a low level. It's gonna take a rejection of this EMA, so don't worry. As far as Solana goes, whoo, I think we're moving towards our stop loss. But who knows? Who knows? We might as well see a breakdown again. As far as Ethereum is concerned, guys, option sellers are doing really good even now. So if you're entered into the trade, stay in this trade because it's good enough for option sellers. If you're an option buyer, you might want to consider exiting the trade. Now the lower trend line is not looking very nice, so I'm just gonna delete it because this is not the correct trend line in any of the cases. And for this one, this may be the correct trend line, but let's just wait for what's happening. I'm gonna start wearing a cap from tomorrow. My hair is just kinda having a bad week, and I don't like how they look right now. The premium DK is not very good. Like I said, a rejection was taken from the CMA. So just stay in this trade. We're not in loss right now. If you're a fresh entry taker, you're not in loss. In Solana, high risk traders, you might wanna start exiting a little bit of quantity. I'm just gonna give my advice. It's up to you whether or not to follow it. My advice is exit some quantity because you're in profit. And staying profitable is the main goal every trader has. So if you're in profit, just try and exit. This is not the perfectly working strategy, guys. This is some of the strategies that I'm just testing right now. Looking good. Honestly, guys, I don't trust indicators or strategies too much on this chart. But I do understand why they are giving a strong sell indication on this place because the 50 and 200 EMA just collided at this level. We're gonna stay in this trade as well. I personally think if you guys have the patience to wait in Solana, you should wait. And let's just see what happens tomorrow. The medium traders are any which ways out, and the small traders have taken some profit. And I'm gonna extend this position down there. Wait, let's just say this gets hit. How many of you are gonna still stay in this trade? This is looking really nice for a setup on Solana. Wait for the trade to complete. One of the main reasons I stay quiet between stream is my mind needs to take rest. Otherwise, I tend to get aggressive. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna sleep in the next 10 minutes. So it's good whoever has not booked profit in Solana. Very good. Whosoever just click the no button. Really good, really good going, brother or sister, whosoever you are. Just stay in the trade. You're gonna see the results. It's gonna go till here, 25.55. And let's see. Let's see. For once, even I'm confident in my trade. If the person who's booked the profit, good for you, brother or sister, whosoever you are. Because booking profit is also very important. And a good habit of staying profitable is promoted by me. Oh my god. I just wish that there is a little more momentum coming in from now on. I'm gonna be trading more in the 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock range because I see that just look at those candles. They're just way better. These time frames are way better for trading. If I just choose the 1 hour, just look at it. If you just go back, not in Solana, but in BTC, you can see the moment. Just look at the momentum. This is all I'm talking about. You all need momentum is really important in trading, guys. If you capture the right momentum and the right movement at the right time, you're gonna become very profitable very fast. If you don't capture the right momentum at the right time, you may still be profitable, but you're not gonna get profitable as fast as someone who's able to capture the momentum. Because momentum means more volatility, and more volatility directly indicates more profits or more losses. If you're a noob at trading and just following someone else, except for me, like I don't know if someone else was guiding you in the wrong manner, you're gonna make losses. For once, Solana is moving now. I got so tired of sticking to this chart because when the market is in such a range bound condition, I'm just like, take the profit and exit it. Like, I don't want to stay in this game so long. Nobody does, honestly. Everybody just wants to take quick profits and just exit. And honestly, guys, like I said, the take profit for medium to aggressive traders is right around here, and We took some trailing SLs, so that's good for you guys. Aggressive traders definitely gonna make some more profits than them. Bitcoin, are you finally ready to move in my direction? Say yes. I've been waiting for this thing to reach 300 plus levels for a very long time. It's reaching the 300 plus level and it's taking another retest. It's trapping me in this freaking range. I don't like it. Like the fast momentum, it was from here to here, it was good. The two green candles, I don't mind seeing such candles. Then again, this small momentum from like 5 minute candles, this is also good. But this shit is what I hate the most. I like momentum, and when it makes things like these, I just hate it. I know it's a contraction point, but I just hate it. I just don't like it at all because it just feels like it's a time waste for me and the other traders who are not option selling. I'm personally in a sell position in this trade, so it doesn't matter to me very much because I'm gonna be profitable either ways. And this is a message for some of you who are gonna be watching the stream afterwards when the stream gets ended. If you're still interested in getting premium signals on Bitcoin or something like that, I'm gonna create a new Telegram channel for that as well. Because at Chirag Jain 19, that channel I'm solely gonna be dedicating to trading. Because sorry, Indian markets. The Indian markets are really important for any trader. If you're living in Australia, they're important for you. If you're living in UK, they're important for you. If you're living in the US, they're exceptionally important for you as well. Because you need to understand the amount of returns that the Indian market can give. No other market is able to match that at this level. The Japanese exchanges and the Japanese everything is not able to match this, but the Japanese traders and the Arabic traders are one of the few people that have the most brilliant mindset with the most capital. Like they can invest in money like a lot and make good profits because they indirectly become an operator and they can create candles, unlike us retail investors. You need to understand, you need to have that patience in order to book profits, guys. And I'm in this trade with you guys. I'm gonna make sure you guys make money. In Bitcoin, I'm not making that big of a bag, but not to brag, but I'm still in profit in this trade as well because I took a few hedging positions in between and they all turned out to be profitable. So they've covered the losses for this specific directional trade. So I'm profitable in this trade as well. So even if I close this trade right now, I'm gonna still stay in profit for a few dollars. For all the people that are gonna be asking me what apps do I use for trading, I'm just gonna show you. 1 second. Oh, the app just went on update. I don't know why did that happen, but it kind of does happen sometimes and just catches me off guard. And that's cool, guys, because you still have a desktop right next to you to stop any losses from happening. And when you put stop losses and you set your take profits as well, both at the same time, you have a higher probability of sorry, even if the system failure happens, you're still gonna be in profit. I think our Solana trade position is supposedly at a very good level, and if you aggressive traders want to exit, you guys can. And I'm getting a little sleepy. Drowsy is the term I'd like to use for what I'm feeling right now. Finally, momentum. Thank God for this momentum. I was waiting for this breakdown for a really long time, and the breakdown has come now. I'm really happy. Bitcoin, thank you. Solana. Guys, exit right now, exit right now, exit right now, exit right now. Take profit has been blasted, so just exit right now. Exit, exit, exit. This is the candle where you have to exit. Don't wait, exit. Don't wait, exit. Just exit, just exit. Exit, 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 exit. If you guys still haven't exited, exit. I can't believe that one candle just gave you that much profit in like 2 3 seconds, but that's really good, and that's one major advantage of trading in crypto. And since this whole thing was recorded on YouTube, I'm gonna be clipping this and putting this up as a short and linking the YouTube video in description, in the comment section and description as well. This is gonna add to my PR, but most importantly, for the 2 3 people that have been consistently watching me, you guys made profit, and that's all that really matters to me. Because if I'm able to make you guys some money, I know in the long run you're gonna be my followers and you're gonna watch my videos wholeheartedly. That's all that matters to me. I'm here to teach you guys, and if you make money, that's all. I've fulfilled my goal of teaching you guys how to make money and how to stay profitable. Honestly, one more thing you could have waited for is this trend line. But these are the things that I cannot tell you on stream. I can teach you price action, I can teach you a lot of strategies, I can give you my strategies 9 and 15 EMA, volume, RSI, everything is supposed to be watched while trading. And I'm looking at every minor detail without speaking. These things go without saying, guys. And one profitable trade for the live stream is all I wanted, because I wanted to show you guys that how easy it is to trade in crypto and you can make money. And this Solana trade has proven me right as hell, guys. That's all I really wanted, to just be happy for once. And now I'm happy. I can sleep peacefully knowing that you guys made money. For people who are worried about my Bitcoin trade, it's going really well. The premium is rising. It's above 300 level, so I'm not worried as much. I'm exiting 50% of my quantity right at this level because I'm not liking the way the markets are moving right now, and it's a little bit freakishly non-volatile, and I don't like. Man, I'm so sleepy, and I don't like non-volatile markets. And I really wish the market was more volatile so that I could make more profits. But it's not moving like it's supposed to. So I'm just gonna be exiting the trade with 50% quantity about here. Even if I see a breakdown from this level, I'm not gonna be surprised, but I don't really feel like keeping the full quantity at this level. So just give me 2 seconds, I'm gonna exit. I've exited my 50% quantity, and as you guys can see, I didn't make a move on that candle. That depicts that I'm not an operator in the market, and all and everything that I'm saying right now is based on pure price action, guys. And if I was able to help you in today's live stream, please like this video. It will really help me. One like equals one motivation for this streamer. Matter of fact, we lost a subscriber during the stream, which is really sad. I'm gonna show you why this is sad. Just move back to studio section. Not happy with what's happening with my channel these days. Because honestly, I've been putting in a lot of effort, but we're losing subscribers. I'm gonna show you right here why I don't like it. See, I gained 4 subscribers. What's the deal with this then? Why is the sub count dropping? Why did it drop? How the hell did it drop? Like, I don't understand. I mean, like, what's the problem with you, YouTube? Watch time in hours is honestly really low for me in the past 28 days. I've been more active recently in all the ways possible. The views are good, but I really wish I could get more views. The Utkarsh Small Finance Bank IPO video got a few views, I guess, but we're not looking for that. The Solana trade did really well. It is paid off in bundles. That's all we wanted. What the fuck? Sorry for that abusive language, but I just saw something I didn't really want to see. Getting back to reality, holding this position. Gonna be the last few minutes that I'm gonna be holding this position, and we're gonna be exiting really soon. The volatility is all I have been waiting for. For all the hyper risky traders, what's wrong with this? Okay, the magnets were on. By this candle, you should definitely exit, because I believe one of you just voted. I've still not exited. So exit right away, guys, at this level. If you don't exit there by then, you might see a trend reversal, and then it might go up till 26. So then you may lose some money, but you may lose some profit. Not money, but in drawdown, you're gonna lose some money. And I don't want that to happen to you guys. In the Bitcoin trade, everybody that took a fresh entry, you're still profitable. So stay happy with that, so that you guys are still profitable in that entry. Unlike me, who's still struggling. Delta Exchange, I'm really happy. 340. I exited my quantity at 319, and after I exited half my quantity, it started going that this direction. So I'm still glad that I'm still having 50% of my quantity at this level. As far as Solana is considered, this is going to be the last 5 minute candle that I'm going to be monitoring for today's live, because I have to sleep and get up in the morning at 9:15. 5 viewers. This is really nice. Right when I'm about to. Real nice YouTube. Real nice. So the candles are indicating they're gonna go for fall down. Just wait for it. A sub to the channel would be amazing, since I'm seeing five of you are watching the video. One more person voted that they've not exited the profit with the profit in Solana. Ethereum. Yep. Since we see the breakdown, it's looking good. And since one more person has voted that they've not yet exited or booked profit in Solana, all I can say is, guys, book your profit at 25.20. That's the last level that you want to stay. That's the max. That's the max. Anything below that, you're gonna get quashed with drawdowns. 120% increase. I love how these newses are, spreading such wrong information. 350. Cool. The premium is dropping, oh sorry, rising for me, so I'm happy. I mean, not that these premium movements decide my mood or something, but it always seems good to stay in profit. 356. Cool, cool. It's gonna rise now as well. 356 से थोड़ा तो बढ़ेगा. थोड़ा तो बढ़ना चाहिए था. अच्छा, closing. It's about the closing. Okay, cool, cool. No matter what. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna be exiting this trade right now, because I really don't feel like carrying this position overnight, and it doesn't feel much safe. So I think we will reduce my stop loss to this level, if that's cool with you guys, because even at this level I'm still gonna be making money. So I think this is a good SL and a good take profit for this. Let me decide that. So I cannot keep this position with that much naked position in this highly loss making environment. So this is going to be my take profit level for this position. And that's about where we're going to be exiting. Let me just mark the same levels on my chart, on my app. Done. So now that I've marked those levels, I think this is good enough. Okay, so when we were not here, Solana just tested its limit. That's very good. That's exactly where you should have exited. I personally, I'm not gonna stay in this trade any longer. Solana is done for me. We made profits. That cool. So actually, we took this big of a trade and we're done with it. Realistically, we will be have been booking this much profit. That's good. Good, 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 good. Bitcoin taking a reversal. I think it's the end of my money. This big bar is indicating really wrong things for me, and I think that the downtrend is about to get over because this big bar has crossed the 15 EMA level, and with just two bitcoins, such big of a momentum is not expected. This low of a volume and this big of a candle is indicating that on Bitstamp the movement is not happening, but some place else the movement is happening. Even with 4 BTC, something is wrong. Till the time it's not going to give a closing of this, I'm still staying here. So this is a whale that's in the market. Good, good to know. All the three cryptocurrencies of mine have been targeted. Cute. Okay, Mr. Whale, you win, I lose. Thank you for watching today's video. Everybody who stayed with me, we're gonna take the SL on this one, and we're still profitable in this trade as a whole because I've been taking constant positions on the side without telling you, and hope you did well with the Solana position and you made some profit in that Solana trade. And if you didn't make it, don't worry, guys. There are gonna be many live streams that you can connect with me, and we're gonna be trading on Saturdays as well. So if you guys wanna watch those Saturday streams, stay tuned for that. I'm gonna be entering that very soon. Bye bye for now because I'm really sleepy. I do have to sleep because I have to wake up in the morning really early. So, good night.